Hi there, and welcome to our video on natural remedies for an enlarged prostate. An enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a common condition that affects men as they age. It occurs when the prostate gland, which is located just below the bladder, becomes enlarged and puts pressure on the urethra, causing urinary symptoms such as frequent urination, weak urine flow, and a feeling of incomplete bladder emptying. While there are several medical treatments for BPH, including medications and surgery, some people may prefer to try natural remedies first. Here are a few options to consider. Saw palmetto. This is a type of palm tree native to the southeastern United States. The berries of the saw palmetto plant have been used for centuries to treat BPH and other prostate problems. Some studies have shown that saw palmetto can help reduce urinary symptoms and improve overall quality of life in men with BPH. Pygeum. This is a type of tree native to Africa. The bark of the pygeum tree has been used traditionally to treat BPH and other prostate issues. Some research suggests that pygeum may help reduce urinary symptoms and improve overall quality of life in men with BPH. Pumpkin seeds. These seeds are a good source of zinc, which is important for prostate health. Some studies have found that pumpkin seeds may help reduce urinary symptoms in men with BPH. Green tea. This popular beverage is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against cell damage and inflammation. Some research suggests that green tea may help reduce the size of the prostate and improve urinary symptoms in men with BPH. Stinging nettle. This is a type of plant native to Europe and Asia. The root of the stinging nettle plant has been used traditionally to treat BPH and other prostate problems. Some research suggests that stinging nettle may help reduce urinary symptoms and improve overall quality of life in men with BPH. It's important to note that these natural remedies may not work for everyone, and they should not be used as a replacement for medical treatment. If you are experiencing symptoms of an enlarged prostate, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the best course of treatment for you. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you some ideas for natural remedies to try for an enlarged prostate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos like this one. Also check out the link in the description for the best diet plan.